Hi everyone and welcome to this channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how to get and set up one of the best live sports app for Fire TV and Android TV. So all you have to do is to watch this video from the beginning to the end and you'll be able to know how to set up and get this app on your Fire TV device. Okay, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first thing you have to do, if you want to install this app, is to go to your settings. On the settings menu of your Fire TV device, scroll down and click on My Fire TV, and then on My Fire TV section, scroll down and click on Developer Options, and then click on it, and then go down and make sure you enable ADB debugging and apps from unknown sources. Make sure you enable each of these. By default, they are already off. So at this point, you have to make sure you enable them. And after that, you have to go back to the home screen again. You go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, scroll and click on the Find option. Click on it, and then on the search bar, make sure you enter this. You have to type Downloader app. It's either you can choose. You have options to do this. It's either you use the Alexa voice control of your Fire TV remote or your Android TV remote, or you can choose to type it. So in this case, I'm using typing method. So when you get here, all you have to do is scroll and click on the D. Oftentimes when you click on D, it pops out. Then scroll down and click on Downloader. Then once you click on it, at this point, click on it again. And then next section you will see is it pops out like device compatibility, download on it. So click on it, and then you have to wait for the initiation to start and then complete, and then the next thing comes in, the downloading and installation. So after that, we will now proceed to the next step. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and then enable notification. So as you can see, we already finished installing the Downloader app. So click on it to open it. Once you click on it, it opens up for the first time. For the first time, it will open up. Click allow on the notification, on the warning message that will come out, like allow downloader to access photos, media, files on your device. Click allow and then click OK. Now at this point, this is where things get interesting, right? So what you get here, all you have to do is to enter this code I'm gonna type right now. Make sure you enter this code the way it is. After entering the code, you have to cross-check, double-check the code before you click go. Now at this point, make sure you enter this code 28907. So once you have entered this code, click go, and then you have to wait for it to load and then take you to the source, to the URL source where you'll be able to get this particular app. So while we are waiting for it to load, subscribe to this channel if you are new, enable notification, drop your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll be willing to answer your questions. So once you get here, once it loads like this, all you have to do is to scroll down gently and then go to categories. And when you get to categories, it's still loading. So we have to wait for it to load, to finish loading, and then we have to go to the next step. So while we are waiting for it to load, don't forget to use VPN while you are accessing contents like this. It's recommended to use VPN, and I'm not recommending any VPN for you. You can choose any VPN you want, but it's always advisable to stream any content with VPN. Okay, so go down. Once you get here, once it must have load, then scroll down and scroll down gently, and then when you get here, you have to go to the section, to the category section of this, and then once you get here, you have to look on your screen and look for the sports category or fitness. Okay, yeah, here we have, okay, you have to go to the sports section of these categories, and then scroll and click on it. So click on the sports section, and then once you get to the sports section, then you have to go to scroll down and click gently, scroll down gently, and then these are sports apps you can have on your device. Okay, so in this point, we are going for the Sports Striper, right, or Sports Fire. So let's just go with the Sports Fire app. So let's click on it, click on it. So Sportsfire. Once you click on Sportsfire, you have to wait for it to load. It's coming, and then once it loads up, and then now you can see it from the screen, and then you have to scroll down again. Scroll down a little bit. You have to wait. While scrolling down, you have to also wait for it to load properly. You have to wait. And then at this point, you will see, okay, you will see here, you will see the download option, download button, and then click on it. Once you click on it, you have to wait for it to load, and then this will automatically start loading, right? So at this point, it's trying to connect this to the server, which allows you to, which will now offer you the proper source URL, and this will automatically lead to the downloading of this particular app. Okay, as you can see from the screen now, it's already downloading. So after the downloading, you can now, it will now initiate the installation. Now once it has finished in downloading, you will see it will ask us to cancel or install. At this point, you have to click on install and then wait for it to finish installation. After that, once you finish installation, don't click open. All you have to do is click done. This will allow you to be able to delete the raw file. So at this point, if you can see from the screen, you will see 3 options: install, delete, none. Now at this point, all you have to do is scroll to delete, click on it, and then go back to delete again, click on it, and then this is it. So we are done with this whole process now. All we have to do now is to go back to our home screen and then click on my apps and games. So to do this, click on the scroll up and click on the home option of this on the screen, and then once you click on it, when you get here, click on the arrow button on your Fire TV remote twice, and then it takes you here again. Click on it again, the arrow button, and then click on it again, click on it again, click on it again, and then at this point you are here. All you have to do is to go and then click on my apps and games, your apps or games, depending on, yeah. At this point now, you can scroll down and scroll down and here, this is it. We already have the app here, right? So this point, if you want to open it, you can choose to open it or not open it. So this is how to get this particular app on your Fire TV device. So the steps are quite easy. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end, and then you'll be able to do this the way I did it. It's quite easy, simple, and straightforward. No gimmicks, no hidden games or hidden processes or steps. Okay, so let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Subscribe, yeah, subscribe. Even if you don't subscribe, just comment, let me know your thoughts. Like this video, it helps the algorithm to know what that means, to recommend the video to other people who might need this video, right? So your comments, your thoughts, your criticisms are all welcome in the comment section, and I'll be willing to answer each of them. Yeah, so see you guys in the next one.